Tip 1. Scrambled eggs just like in a 5-star restaurant. First, prepare a bowl and crack 3 eggs into it. This is how to make delicious, nutritious, and incredibly appealing scrambled eggs that anyone can make at home. After cracking the eggs, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then stir well with a fork. Next, add about 500 milliliters of water to a pot. When the water begins to simmer, then gently pour the bowl of eggs into the pot and stir well to ensure the eggs are thoroughly cooked. Turn up the heat slightly to allow the eggs to firm up but still retain a soft texture. Gently stir with a spoon to prevent the eggs from burning. Once the eggs are cooked, remove them and place them on a separate plate. Sauté the minced meat with a little oil until fragrant and slightly browned. Finely chop the parsley. Choose slightly thicker sprigs for more flesh and an attractive green color in the sauce. Thinly sliced and finely chopped garlic enhances the sauce's aroma. Finely chop the carrots so that when cooked in the sauce, they remain tender and retain their natural sweetness. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After adding all the ingredients, stir until golden brown. Next, add the green onions. Then add salt and sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix well to allow the spices to penetrate. Then add about 100 milliliters of water. Next, add 30 milliliters of tapioca starch. Once the sauce is smooth and fragrant, pour it directly over the eggs in the bowl and gently mix to coat the eggs evenly. Garnish with finely chopped green onions to make the dish both visually appealing and delicious, adding a splash of color and flavor. This egg dish with sauce is not only smooth and creamy, with a rich, sweet, and savory sauce, but also highly nutritious, suitable for both children and the elderly. You can enjoy it immediately or as a side dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. With this preparation method, a simple egg dish becomes a flavorful, visually appealing, and tantalizing family meal. Tip 2. Start with a fresh pumpkin, thoroughly washing the outer skin. Next, carefully cut off the top of the pumpkin to create a pretty lid ring. Wash the entire inside, including the seeds and soft inner parts, ensuring the inside is clean and tidy. Then the seeds will be discarded. Next, prepare 2 bowls and crack the eggs into the larger bowl. Use a tablespoon to separate the egg yolk into the other bowl. Next, prepare 1 finely chopped shallot. After chopping the onions, add them to the bowl of egg whites. Choose a fresh red bell pepper, wash it, remove the seeds, and cut it into bite-sized pieces to add vibrant color to the dish. Ripe tomatoes are diced into small, even cubes, making them visually appealing. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Carrots are peeled, washed, and then diced or julienned as desired, to harmonize with the other ingredients. Now add the seasonings to the dish. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a little pepper, and salt. Then stir well. Once everything is well mixed, put it all into the pumpkin. Add a piece of butter. Then put the egg yolk on top. Finely chopped scallions add a touch of freshness and subtle flavor. Next, place the pot of water with the steamer basket on the stove. Then add about 50 g of cheese. Sprinkle cheese on top and use the stem as a lid. Finally, place the pumpkin in the steamer and cover with the lid. Steam the pumpkin for about 20 minutes. The steam slowly spreads, tenderizing each ingredient and allowing them to blend together perfectly. Once the pumpkin is cooked, carefully lift it out with a slotted spoon, avoiding burns from the heat, and place it on a plate. At this point, the enticing aroma spreads, and the golden cheese topping makes the dish even more appealing. And now everything is ready. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, savoring the sweet, rich, and warm flavors that spread with every bite. The finished dish is not only delicious and visually appealing, but also embodies the simplicity and warmth of a family meal. With just a few familiar ingredients, you can create a nutritious and loving meal for your loved ones. If you find this recipe interesting and easy to make, don't forget to hit like to support me. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more delicious, simple, and heartwarming dishes like this. Comment below to share your thoughts or any dishes you'd like me to show you next. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next exciting recipes.